My name's Thom and I'm one of the UK's team of ECVET experts. Our role is to promote and facilitate the use of ECVET principles in mobility, and one example of this has been the production of a series of fact sheets. These fact sheets offer information and guidance on many aspects of ECVET. There are 15 fact sheets in total, and today we'll be looking at what is on offer. They're grouped into 5 areas. The first of these is setting the scene, then 3 key areas of mobility, practical information, specialist input, and latest developments. So the first one, setting the scene. If you're new to ECVET or are unsure of what it entails, then these 3 fact sheets will get you started. The first is, what is ECVET? This one confirms how ECVET can be used to build quality in geographical mobility. We then have one which looks at the benefits of ECVET, and this is the benefits both for learners and for vet institutions. The last in the series is key components of ECVET, which includes an introduction to the main ECVET tools such as the Memorandum of Understanding and the Learning Agreement. Moving on to the next group of fact sheets, these are all to do with the 3 key areas of mobility. These areas are before mobility, during mobility, and after mobility. And the fact sheets explain what needs to be in place at each of the 3 stages. So now, having covered all the basic underpinning knowledge that a practitioner needs to get started, the next group of fact sheets offers additional practical help. The first one is a fact sheet which gives top tips. These top tips have been drawn from the real-life experience of Erasmus Plus practitioners who have implemented at least some of the ECVET principles in their mobilities, and focuses on partnerships, learning agreements, assessment and validation. There's also a useful checklist for those organisations who are looking to apply ECVET principles to a mobility programme, as well as a basic glossary of key ECVET terms. Finally, there's a fact sheet called Meet the Experts, which confirms the role and services that the team provide to UK organisations. The next group of fact sheets considers some of the specialist questions, such as those that might be relevant to employers or awarding bodies, or those relating to long duration mobility, which is also referred to as Erasmus Pro. The last group of fact sheets looks at a new development for international mobility, that is the concept of smart mobility. In the first fact sheet we introduce this concept, which is based on strategic and meaningful mobility as a means of delivering learning that is both recognisable and transferable. And in the second fact sheet we consider what smart mobility means for learners in particular. So, this has been a quick overview of the 15 ECVET fact sheets and the topics that they cover. All fact sheets can be downloaded via the ECVET page of the Erasmus Plus website, and this address is shown on the last slide. Thank you for watching.